the best gift for Christmas is this year? Fidgets! Like, what kid doesn't love fidgets? I mean, come on. If you're not getting your kid a dimple this year, then what are you doing? My favorite's this one.
What's
and
that?
This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. It's rainbow, just like Nene. Nene.
You're not getting a Nene for Christmas.
No, I am.
It's gonna poop everywhere.
I'll get it a litter box. Yes.
All right, cut, stop it. What's that?
Thank you. It's my Christmas list to Santa. Keychains. We love keychains. Just do that. Be a cool parent and get the dimples. Or you're in trouble. If you thought dimples are important, I have something other that's more important. Poppets. P-O-P-I-T. And if you don't know what a poppet is, click close attention. Or else. It's huge!
Violent. Oh, jeez, that's a boil. Be nice.
Bigger, the better. The bigger, the better. If it's not big, it better be cute. Like this box. Ding, 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 ding. Lemon and strawberry. Lemon and strawberry. Lemon, strawberry. Lemon, strawberry. Listen, parents, get the poppets right now. Or you're in trouble. It does cool! Let's try it first. Whoever pops and bubbles first wins! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to get this for Christmas this year.
Seriously. FYI, teachers love poppets.
Next!
Do they really?
What is that?
What is this? Here you go.
Don't. She just licked it.
Oh, this is a president.
Bubble. Another cool fidget for the holidays is these. They're called balloon pets.
It's not edible. Not everything's edible.
In your mouth.
Sorry. Sorry. Look.
I love this thing.
Oh, you're so happy.
This is way different than all the other stress balls.
Let's go outside, let's go outside. Thank you, Mrs. Bell.